So, sa video na to, meron tayong good news. Meron po tayong good news, okay? Ito ang good news natin. Okay guys, the announcement is my visa na si Nitro and Shanta. Woohoo! Yes, you have a visa na, baby. My visa na. Yay!
Yan. Tapos, pagdating naman sa Australia, gagawin siyang Australian citizen. Ako, uwi na ako ng Pilipinas. Bye! Joke!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels.
Hello, baby Nitro. Are you eating? Kumakain ka na, baby? Yeah, kumakain ka na. Yes, you are. Oh, mommy is acting. Oh, are you excited? Are you excited, huh? Digi 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 digi. Digi digi digi. He's making his lips tight.
Open niya yung bibig niya.
Sige, sige. Inom ka muna ng tubig. Inom ka ng
Drink
tubig,
milk.
baby.
Drink milk.
Tubig.
Drink water.
Tubig. Oh, yes, that's it. You like the tubig, don't you? Yes, masarap yung tubig, no? Very masarap. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo!
Bebe!
Pabibe! Ay, grabe. Alam niyo, super haggard kami ni Shanta. Super pagod. To the point na mahirap mag-vlog. Mahirap mag-vlog eh. Kasi nagkulong kami dito sa studio apartment namin na ano lang, 45 square meters lang tong apartment na to. Tapos dito lang si Nitro nakatulog, pero hindi nakatulog. Kasi laging umiiyak. So, lagi kaming puyat. Ganun. Kailangan po talaga kaming papunta sa Australia. Kasi, pag nandun na kami sa Australia, nasa bahay na kami, may sariling kwarto na si Nitro, makakapaghinga na kami. Tsaka nandun din yung parents ko, yung kapatid ko na si Hallie. And then, Nitro can make friends. Kilalanin ni Nitro ang mga ano niya, mga pinsan niya, ganun. Yan ang plano namin, guys. We have the visas na. Ang dalawang Filipino na to, may mga visas na. Hey, so we got a tourist visa, 5-month tourist visa.
Kasi pag 6 months, and over, may kailangan na medical certificate. Eh, ayaw namin pumunta ng hospital, tingnan mo siya.
Excited ka na? Mag-Australia ka na, baby?
Para mabilis na lang makapunta na kaagad.
Sana all makakapunta sa Australia, di ba?
Kasama naman kayo sa vlog, kaya lahat tayo, punta tayo ng Australia.
Yeah! And he's excited.
He wants the
he's
camera.
touching the camera.
Okay,
Okay, Dwantro Fam. So, maraming nagtatanong sa amin kung paano kami nakakuha ng visa. So, we went through an agency called Down Under Visa. They are based here in the Philippines, actually, Down Under Visa, run by Jeff Harvey and his family. So they've been operating for a number of years now, and they helped Shanta get her last 2 visas to go to Australia. Oh, di ba, bebe? Ngayon, they helped Nitro as well. So we got tourist visas for both of them. Tourist lang, ha? So ibig sabihin, bawal magtrabaho dun sa Australia. So bebe, bawal ka magtrabaho sa Australia. Yes. So Down Under Visa are operating and they're still getting visa approvals kahit may pandemya, kahit may COVID-19, they're still helping Filipinos get to Australia. So don't give up hope. If you want to get to Australia right now, even though, you know, we're in lockdown, there's a pandemic, they can help you. I mean, they've helped us. They've got our visas so we can go. Hey, baby. Yes, we can. They've actually helped a lot of couples get back together too who were separated, you know, who were kept apart by the pandemic. And not only do they service just Philippines, they also do China, you know, if you want to get from China to Australia, Vietnam to Australia, and Thailand to Australia as well. So check them out, guys, Down Under Visa. I'll put their link to their website in the description below. So madali lang yan actually, like, fill upan mo yung form na kung anong gusto mo, tourist visa, partner visa. If you want to migrate to Australia permanently or just temporarily, you let them know. Tapos sasendan kanila ng to-do list. Alright, so things you need to do, things you need to provide to them para masubmit na ang application mo at maging successful ang application mo sa Australian Embassy. So we had to give down under visa things like, you know, our IDs, of course, government IDs, passports, ganon. We had to write a history of our relationship statement. Char, no? Love story namin, sinulat namin, tapos sinend namin sa kanila. We had to get people we know in Australia to verify that totoo yung relationship namin. So I asked my sisters to do that, to fill up the form and say, yes, nakilala nila si Shanta, and ayan. Sabi nila, panoorin mo na lang yung YouTube nila, oh. Dami nilang video together, uploaded over 3 years, so we had to give them photos of us together, you know, Facebook posts of us, you know, being together, traveling together. We had to give them grocery receipts, you know, evidence that we've been living in the same house, ganon. So yeah, basta ganon ha, tinutulungan kayo ng Down Under visa. With all the requirements, okay? So Down Under visa, they're experts, they know what they're doing. They don't like to submit applications that they think will fail. So check them out, guys. Really big help. If you want to get to Australia and you're a Filipino, you're not an Australian citizen, Down Under visa, really good, okay? They helped us out. This is the 3rd time they've helped us out. We submitted the application within, I don't know, 1 week. My visa na sina Shanta and Nitro. So yun, check them out, guys. Down Under visa. So Down Under visa got us the travel authority as well. Pero dahil asawa ko si Shanta, anak ko si Nitro, they're immediate family members. So they can go, alright? No problem. So this is how Nitro has to get rocked to sleep. See? You don't want to go to sleep, baby, hey? No, you don't want to go to sleep. You're fighting to stay awake. Yes, I'm hoping when we get to Australia, everything will be better, because he'll have his own room, it'll be dark, diba? Like no distractions, he won't be distracted by us walking around everywhere, he'll be able to sleep. So yeah, that's gonna be better for all of us. Shanta, anong gagawin mo kapag nasa Australia ka na?
Lalanghap ako ng sariwang hangin.
Kainis to. Oh, excited ka na ba?
Okay lang. Mas excited ako para sa'yo.
Bakit?
Kasi alam kong gusto mong napumunta.
Ikaw, ayaw mo? Ayaw mo ba?
Hindi, gusto syempre. Pero kasi gusto ko lahat kasama. Yung family ko kasama ko din. Tapos kasama natin yung family mo din.
Hindi, apply natin sila ng visa. Hey baby Nitro, you have to go to sleep na. Yes, why are you trying to get out of your crib, huh? The sooner you go to sleep, when you wake up, we'll go to Australia. Yes. Baby does not like to be left alone. Do you, baby? No. No, you always want Dandy to look at you, don't ya? Yes, you do. Alright guys, so yan ang balita namin sa inyo. Ayan. Oh, may divalite ako ah. Yeah, so we are gonna head to Australia. So I'm going to book the flights and I will let you know kung kailan kami aalis. But it will be very, very soon. And I'm talking like within the next 2 weeks. Talaga. Ayun. Alright guys, so shoutout muna natin yung mga Certified Dwantro Fam natin. Ayan, so ito ang mga pangalan nila. Ayan, silang lahat yan. So kung gusto nyo pong maging Certified Dwantro Fam, i-click nyo lang po yung join button na nasa YouTube channel namin. Okay? Para maging certified kayo. You get access to the Dwanta custom emojis. Now, shoutout ko rin po yung mga natin, yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Okay, so una sa lahat, we have Pusina ni Monica. Now, lahat ng YouTubers na to, may YouTube channel sila. Links are in the description below. Pusina ni Monica. Next is Tai Chi's Adventures. We have Paul T. Nati Von Tien, Tosca Acorda, Jocelyn Natividad, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Da Ramis, Chita Almeida. She's our latest Golden Dwantro Fam actually. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa panonood, and once again, if you want to get to Australia, your best bet is Down Under Visa. Alright, check them out. Down Under Visa. Their link to the website is in the description below. Alright guys, we'll see you sa sunod na video natin. We'll keep you guys updated. Alright, bye for now.
Everything to me, if you let me love you. Love you. beautiful.